Welcome to my channel. If you missed my last video, I did a review, swatches, and try on of the new Linda Hallberg Spectral palette, and I finally gave in to buy this palette after wanting to buy something from Linda Hallberg for so long that while I bought this one, I also caved in and bought the Infinity Deep palette. So today I wanted to try out this palette on my whole face, so using it for eyeshadow, blush, bronzer, highlighter, everything. So if you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching. I'm also going to be doing another video with them combined, and I don't know which video is going to be first. So if it is first, I'll have it linked somewhere, as well as the video of just the Spectral palette by itself. So let's get into this. For this palette, I'm not going to be swatching it because I believe I'm going to use all of the shades on my face, but I'm first going to be taking Lighter right here as my bronzer because I used that in my other video with the Spectral palette and I loved it so much. So I'm wanting to use it again because this is such a pretty shade. Even though this is called the Infinity Deep palette, I feel like it's still really pretty for fair skin. Like, look at this all blended out. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And this would be such a pretty palette for winter, summer, spring. Both of these palettes, I love them. I really want to buy the little quad ones that she has. I can't remember what they're called, but the really shimmery, like ethereal shimmer shades that she has. Oh my gosh, I want those so freaking bad. And then with the same brush, I'm gonna mix the shimmery copper shade and Mars together. I don't really know how to say this. Quasar? I don't know how to say that, but I'm gonna mix those two together as a blush. Hoping this isn't too crazy. Maybe it is kind of crazy. Oh no. Blend it out is perfectly fine. Oh man, I put too much pink over there. And then I'm gonna take Polar Star, this really pretty shade, as a highlighter. I have been so obsessed with this as a highlighter because it just looks so natural and wet looking. Oh my gosh, I can't handle it. Now it's time for my eyeballs. I'm so excited for this. So let me blend out some of the creases, and then I'm gonna take this shade Umbria, the shade down here. I just want to see how this shade performs. Ooh, it's kind of dark. Oh, that's actually a really pretty brown shade. Just gonna take a little bit out of my underneath my lash line, but this color almost reminds me of the one out of the Pat McGrath Eye Ecstasy palette. And of course, I want to go into this really pretty red shade Mars. I don't really know what I want to do with it yet, but I'm gonna put it. Wow, that is way more pigmented than I was ever expecting. Holy cow, what am I gonna do? Whoa. Okay, so we're just gonna do a little bit. Okay. I was getting too confident with the neutrals there. This is probably my new favorite red eyeshadow because it's not like really bright red. It's like red, but still kind of muted in a way. It's so pretty. And then now I'm going to take the Quasar shade, the kind of coppery color, and I'm going to take this on my finger. Whoa, look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh, that is so pretty. I freaking love this shade already. Holy cow. Whoa, this shade is so pretty. I just want to cover my whole existence with this shade. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I haven't used Solar yet, which is the shimmering yellow shade. So I'm going to take this on the inner corner. I'm just kind of blending it up, kind of like a sunrise. And then I'm gonna take Red Shift, which is the darker brown shade. I'm gonna put this under, ooh, that was really soft, under my lash line here. Oh, and that's really dark too. Okay, I'm really liking this copper shade. It's so stunning. And then I'm gonna take a really tiny brush and Fornax, which is the black shade, and I'm gonna run this on my lash line, kind of like some eyeliner. Ooh, I like this black too. And then I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with the color Solar. Ooh, my gosh, that's so pretty. And then I'm gonna go through and blend the edges out with Lightyear. All right, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. All right, so I just did my brows, mascara, and lipstick off camera, and I am so obsessed with this shimmering copper color. I am way too obsessed with this shade. It is so pretty. And then the lipstick that I used was the little mini Pat McGrath lipsticks, and this one is in the shade Obsessed, because I really wanted to pull in more of the like bright, kind of like reddish tones in my face, because I have it in my blush and in the inner corner, so I really wanted to like really make a statement with that. So I'm really happy how this looked. I'm really excited to see what these two combined are gonna look like. I've been using this one like crazy. I haven't used another eyeshadow palette since I filmed the video with this one. I love it so much, especially the abstract shade. I'll definitely link the video with this one in this video. But for this eyeshadow palette, I'm pretty dang obsessed with, I want to say like 4 of the shades, maybe 5. So these shades are really unique. I'll say that, because you don't see a lot of shades that are like these brown shades a lot, in my opinion. They're not your typical brown shades that you see in every palette. And then this red shade took me by such a surprise. I can't wait to use this one more. Love, love, love this copper shade. This one is now my favorite highlighting shade. This is such a pretty, like, subtle yellow shimmer shade. It reminds me of a sunset. It's so interesting. And so I have it blended out more on my brow bone, but it's concentrated more on my inner corner. And I love both ways of using this. And then the black is super pigmented, and it's also really soft. All of these are super, super, super soft. They're like pressed flour is the best way to explain it. But that is it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments again which shade was your favorite out of this palette. I do have the same thing going on with this palette, where I would love if you commented what your favorite shade was. So if I ever wanted to do another tutorial using this palette, if I have a lot of people that really like a certain shade, I can do an eye look using that, mainly that shade. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, Friday is a Fenty Friday video, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get notified for my Fenty Friday video, May 10th. I'm super, super, super pumped about that video. But that is all for me today, and I'll see you guys in my next video.